Alright guys, so this video is a nice art hack if you would like to create your own graphite paper, and this is for when you do not have carbon or graphite paper to transfer your traceable or transfer something to your canvas. So you do need your traceable, a graphite pencil, and I'm using a number 2 pencil in this. And I want you to take your traceable, you're going to flip it upside down, and I want you to follow what you see on the screen. We're taking the pencil, holding it at about a 45-degree angle, and basically scribbling on here. We're transferring the graphite, and by doing this, we are putting basically the carbon or the graphite on the back of the paper, so that way when we flip it over and transfer it to our surface and we use pressure, that pressure is going to transfer this graphite that you're applying right now. So kind of a nice way to just transfer your image without having carbon paper. So yeah, so you can see we're on there on the back. Now you're going to take your paper or your canvas, whatever your surface is, and you're going to flip the traceable around so that way the graphite is facing towards the surface. And then you don't want this to move after you start drawing. So I do recommend that you tape the edge, and even if you're taping it to a canvas, you want to make sure this stays in place the whole time so that way it doesn't shift or adjust. Now, I am using that same pencil. You can use a pen if you like, and I do want you to use a good amount of pressure. Because graphite is not as strong as carbon, if you use a little bit more pressure, the lines will show up a little bit darker. And in this video, I probably am using about medium pressure, and you'll see when I'm done that I actually have to go back over and redraw all the lines so I can see them a little bit better. So you may have to do that for yours based on the darkness of the graphite that you applied and the pressure. So the more that you do this, you'll kind of get comfortable and find a medium ground with it. So if you need to check your progress, leave that tape there and you can flip it up and you can see where there's the hint of the lines. And here you can see where I'm going to go over those lines just to make it a little bit easier before I start painting. So I hope everybody enjoyed that. Have a great day and happy painting. Cheers.